Because many of the animals are carnivores at the Wildlife Center, the health and reproductive ability must be maintained at highest levels. Several years ago, scientist researcher Dr. Francis Pottinger ran humane experiments with regular house cats that lasted several years. He divided his cats into various groups and fed each group differently. Some he gave certain cooked meats, some he gave raw meats. Those that received just cooked meats over a few generations not only declined in physical robustness, but were plagued with illness and had temperament problems. Eventually, they were unable to reproduce successfully. The feces from the animals receiving the cooked product was used as fertilizer to raise string beans, but the beans didn't grow. Some beans hardly even sprouted. The house cats given the fresh raw meat product thrived and produced through each generation successfully. Clearly, wild carnivores such as these were designed to hunt and kill and survive on prey composed of flesh. Their teeth, stomach acids, and short digestive tract bear this out. Conversely, the tooth structure of a human being is quite different than that of this wild wolf's teeth. But the dissimilarities between wild meat-eaters and humans do not end there. The human digestive tract is far longer and more complex, which is consistent with all herbivorous creatures. Additionally, the stomach acid and intestinal enzymes of humans are unable to properly break down or digest flesh containing animal proteins. Carnivores have very short, simple intestines to excrete the masticated and digested meat quickly, often within 2 hours, which precludes the chance for the meat to have time to putrefy and poison their systems. In a human being, it takes generally 48 hours for meat to pass through. Invariably, some of it doesn't pass through at all, but instead gets snagged inside tiny pockets in the colon, putrefying not for hours, but days, months, and even years. The toll meat-eating takes on all the essential human organs, particularly the pancreas gland, which is also involved in the digestive process, is enormous.